In this video, let's talk about what is the difference after installing the 20mm wheel spacers on your Toyota Highlander. Let's go. Installing Toyota wheel spacers has long been a common practice among many Highlander lovers. They are components that attach your Toyota Highlander wheel stud. The wheel is installed on the wheel spacers so that the tires can sit flush with the fenders. Installing Toyota Highlander wheel spacers can create additional space between the wheel hub assembly and the rim. To some extent, adding wheel spacers provide the same effect as lower offset wheels. For Toyota Highlander stock wheels, 20mm spacers provide the front and the back perfect flush stance. Besides, using the brand Toyota Highlander wheel spacers is also important. Installing wheel spacers is an effective way to keep tires from burning the aftermarket shock absorbers. A car with a lower center of gravity will handling better, thanks to reduced roll and more even tire rolling. What's more, you can change the offset by adding wheel spacers with the corresponding thicknesses. This improves the whole experience on your ride. For anyone seriously considering the performance potential of their cars, heat dissipation is something that should not be overlooked. Bonus FT Cooling Toyota Highlander wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distribute in petal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so each achieves the purpose of aptly dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of Toyota Highlander wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipating effect and improving road safety. 20mm wheel spacers fit the Toyota Highlander perfectly. If you are considering installing the wheel spacers on your Toyota Highlander, you can install the 20mm wheel spacers on the front wheels and the rear. If you want to get the Toyota wheel spacers for your Highlander, please make sure to see the link in the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.